I want to say vehemently that we do not have a stock shortage of medicine in the province. And in saying that, I will also explain how, as a department, we judge or gauge the availability of stock. I will also explain where you don't have medication or you don't have certain medication, what are the measures that have been put in place by ourselves of ensuring that stock is always available. So I will then start with that, but I will then request Mrs. Msimango to just take us through 2 slides, and she will explain in detail the technical part of how we operate. With that said, as a department, we had given ourselves a gauge to say what is it that we say is acceptable in terms of availability of stock. Now, for any particular medication, we say when we have 100 to 90% of that particular stock, we are on green, meaning we've got double the required amount. And remember, as a department, we don't buy medication as and when we use it. We stockpile our medication, and often our stockpile is 3 months ahead, so that when you have challenges with a service provider a bit later on, you don't always struggle, or you don't struggle as much. So when we are at 90% or 80%, it's 80% even at a level of stock piling. So I was explaining to you that green for us means it's 100 to 90%, and at amber we then say once you are at 80 to 90% of availability of stock at a depot, in a clinic, in a hospital, then you need to be cautious that you must start making plans on how you get that particular medication. Between 80 and 50%, you are at red. Now, at that point, when you are at red, you should have ordered new stock, so you should be waiting for new stock. At that point, you shouldn't be saying, I'm only now ordering. But you still have full availability of stock. It's just that your stock is now at 60%, 70%, or 50%. So you still have medication, just not as stockpiled as they would be at 100%. So when we look at our availability of stock, generally, that is what we look at.